Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Most of the people ask me all the time that show me very easy ways to make some money online, and today I'm gonna show you one of the very simple and easy way to make some awesome money online. Now this is not very difficult and most of the people of you can do it. Okay, all you require is a smartphone to do this stuff and make some very good money. Okay, I'm not talking about $5 to $10 to $20 which you make doing some service and all this stuff. I'm talking about a really great opportunity with which you can start an entire online business, and you don't need any fancy equipments and all this stuff. All you need is your smartphone and you can start making money with this really simple and easy strategy. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. So we are now into the content, and you just need to go to this website which is known as anchor.fm. okay, and you just need to download this application. Okay, so you can do podcasting on this application. Podcasting, what is podcast? A podcast is something in which you are just recording your audio and giving your opinion about a particular subject or particular topic, or you are teaching a particular skill, okay, which you know yourself, and you are giving information about that in an audio format, just like YouTube videos. These are just YouTube videos only with audio. Okay, that's something which you need to understand. So if you can teach something with your voice, then this is the best thing in which you can start teaching and start making some money, as well as you can narrate some stories over here, and all this stuff is definitely possible if you are gonna go and work with anchor.fm. okay, so the thing is that you can download this application into your mobile phone. If you are an Apple user, you can go to App Store, or if you are an Android user just like me, then go for the Google Play and just download this application. Okay, now the best thing about this application is that you can record your voice directly into your smartphone, just like this. You can see all you need to do is just see this man's recording this into his smartphone directly, just speaking in front of his phone. Okay, so it can be any topic which you know. Okay, it's really easy. There are a lot of topics in which you may discuss to many of the people around you. Okay, you can also just make out some motivational stuff and provide people with some motivational speech and all this stuff, and it's really easy because all you need to do is speak. Okay, and that's something which is known as a podcast, or else you can have an interview of someone as a podcast using this application, and all those things are really possible with this application. Just with your smartphone, you don't need any extraordinary devices to do this stuff. Okay, so this is something which is really awesome, and you can just start making money because you are getting a lot of sponsorships as well as many other things with this application, and so you can make a ton of money with this. Okay, it will take some time to grow your audience and to make some money, but once you start uploading your podcast into this application day by day, you are gonna get followers, you are gonna get more and more listeners, and you are gonna get and earn more and more money. Okay, it's not gonna happen in a day, but if you keep working on it slowly and gradually, it will start growing. All you need to do is just whatever job or whatever thing you are doing, just do that stuff and just take out 5 to 10 minutes of your extra time and just make a podcast into that extra time, because you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just take out your smartphone and record, okay, whatever topic you want to discuss about or speak about or give information about or give news about. Okay, that's it, and you can start really making some awesome money. Now let me show you one of the bonus if you are gonna use this application to upload your podcast. Okay, so if you are an Android user and you are gonna make your podcast, I highly recommend to download this Lexus audio editor and record your voice through this application, because this is a really good audio editing application which reduces the noise which is there in your voice, so that the voice quality of your podcast is going to be really very high, and that can make you a ton of money. Okay, this is very great thing because you can just use this free application and take your voice to the next level or take your audio quality to the next level, because in podcasting audio quality is the most important thing and it can make you a most amount of money. Okay, so that's something which is really important. And if you are using a computer, you can definitely use the software Audacity, which is an open source free software which you can download onto your computer. And with this software you can record your podcasts, reduce noise in those podcasts, and then start uploading this to this type of platforms which is known as Anchor.fm, or there are many other platforms. Okay, I highly recommend that you make your own podcast really, and you can really, it could be a great income source for you to make some money online. Okay, the thing is that only 1% of the people in this entire world are working or doing some work online, and you can see it's completely unsaturated because almost 99% of the people are not working online and not making any money online. So you can be the part of that 1% who is working online and making money online. Okay, so and if you really want some awesome opportunity to make some big money online with a plug and play affiliate marketing system, do check out the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. As well as you can check out other videos on my channel. There are a ton of videos over here for you, and they will teach you different ways to make money online. As well as you can follow me on Instagram. Link is there in the description.